Hi everyone, this is Mehboob Basha. Now I am going to discuss the question is if x plus iy that equal to cis alpha into cis beta, then find the value of x square plus y square. What is given here? Given x plus iy that equal to cis alpha into cis beta. Cis alpha into cis beta nothing but cis alpha into cis beta nothing but cis alpha plus beta. Cis alpha plus beta. Here x plus iy that nothing but cis alpha plus beta nothing but cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. Now compare real and imaginary part here. What is the real part here? Compare real and imaginary parts. Compare real and imaginary parts. From this x equal to cos alpha plus beta, comma y equal to sin alpha plus beta. We want to find here we want to find here x square plus y square. X square plus y square. X square nothing but cos square alpha plus beta. Y square nothing but sin square alpha plus beta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the value here? 1. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to 1. 1 is the answer. Next one. Next question. If the argument of Z1 bar, if the argument of Z1 bar, argument of Z1 bar and argument of Z2, argument of Z2 are pi by 5 and pi by 3, or pi by 5 and pi by 3 respectively, then find argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. Argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. Here, what is given here? Argument of Z1 bar, that nothing but conjugate of Z1. Argument given. What is here? Pi by 5 given. Argument of Z1 bar equal to pi by 5. Argument of Z1 equal to, symbols will be changed, minus pi by 5. Now, argument of Z2. What is argument of Z2 here? Pi by 3 given. Now, we want here argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. But nothing but minus pi by 5 plus pi by 3. What is the LCM here? 15 is the LCM. 5, 3 is a 3 into pi minus 3 pi. 3, 5 is a 5 into pi, 5 pi. From this, 2 pi by 15. 2 pi by 15. Next one. Express the complex number, express the complex number 1 plus root 3i, 1 plus root 3i in modulus amplitude form, in modulus amplitude form. Express the complex number 1 plus root 3i in modulus amplitude form. So what is your given complex number? Let z equal to 1 plus root 3i. This is the given complex number. Here already we know here what is the modulus amplitude form here. Modulus amplitude form nothing but r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 plus root 3i, that nothing but r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Already here we know theta nothing but open interval minus pi to closed interval pi, principal value of argument of z. Here r nothing but square root of x square plus y square. Compare with x plus iy, that nothing but 1 plus y square nothing but root 3 square nothing but 3. 1 plus 3 nothing but 4. Root 4 nothing but here 2. Here 1 comma root 3. This one belongs to which quadrant here? First quadrant. Already we know in first quadrant theta equal to alpha in Q1. In Q1 theta equal argument of Z1. In Q2 theta equal argument of Z equal to, in second quadrant pi minus alpha. In Q3 argument of Z nothing but alpha minus pi. In fourth quadrant theta equal to minus alpha. Minus alpha. This is the first quadrant. First quadrant nothing but theta equal alpha na. So what is the tan alpha formula? Modulus of y by x. Modulus of y by x. That nothing but y root 3 by 1. That nothing but what is here root 3? Root 3 tan alpha, that equal root 3 nothing but tan 60. Tan 60 nothing but pi by 3. From this alpha equal to pi by 3. Alpha equal to pi by 3. Here in first quadrant, in Q1 first quadrant, therefore theta equal alpha. Theta equal to alpha. From this theta equal alpha nothing but pi by 3. But 1 comma, but but 1 comma root 3, 1 comma root 3. But 1 comma root 3, but 1 comma root 3 belongs to Q1. That implies theta equal to, therefore Raskumar. But 1 comma root 3, this one belongs to Q1. Therefore theta equal alpha na. Theta nothing but alpha. Alpha nothing but here pi by 3. From this, therefore 1 plus root 3i, 1 plus root 3i, nothing but r into r value. What is r value? 2 into cos theta. Cos theta nothing but cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is the value. 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is the modulus amplitude or polar form of this complex number. Next one, write the complex number. Fourth one, write the complex number, write the complex number 1 plus 2i whole cubed in the form of a plus ib. Solution 1 plus 2i whole cubed. This is looking as a plus b whole cubed. What is a plus b whole cubed formula? A plus b whole cubed equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cubed. This is the formula. 1 plus 2i whole cube nothing but 1 cube plus 3 a square nothing but 1 square b nothing but 2i plus 3 a nothing but 1 b nothing but 2i whole square plus b cube, that nothing but 2i whole cube. From this 1 cube nothing but 1, 3 1 square nothing but 1 only, 3 2 just 6i plus 2 square nothing but 4, 4 3 is 12, I square nothing but minus 1, I square nothing but here minus 1, I square nothing but minus 1, that nothing but minus 12, okay, plus 3 4s are 12, 12i square, 2 cube nothing but 8, 8i cube, I cube nothing but minus I. From this 1 plus 6i. So I square nothing but minus 1. So minus 12. I cube nothing but minus I. And nothing but 8 minus 8i. From this 1 minus 12 minus 11. 6i minus 8i nothing but minus 2i. This is in the form of a plus ib only, no? I hope you understood my videos. If you understood my videos, please subscribe and share to your friends also. Thank you.